Need to unblock someone on X, formerly Twitter? In this quick guide, I'll show you two easy methods to remove a user from your blocked list using the latest X app in 2026. Method 1. Unblock directly from the user's profile. This is the fastest option if you already know the person's username. Start by opening the X app on your phone or visiting the X website on your computer. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the user's profile. Once you find the correct account, open their profile page. If the account is currently blocked, you'll see a blocked button displayed on their profile. Tap or click this button and a confirmation prompt will appear asking whether you'd like to unblock the user. Select Unblock to confirm your choice. Once completed, the user will be removed from your blocked list immediately. You'll be able to view their posts again, and they will be able to see your public content and interact with your account according to your privacy settings. Method 2. Unblock from your blocked accounts list. If you don't remember the person's username, don't worry. X keeps a complete list of every account you've blocked. Open X and access the main menu by tapping your profile picture on mobile or clicking More on the desktop version. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then select Privacy and Safety. Next, open Mute and Block and choose Blocked Accounts. Here you'll find a list of all blocked users. Scroll through the list or use the search function if available. When you locate the account you want to unblock, tap or hover over the blocked button next to their name. Confirm the action when prompted. After unblocking, the account is instantly restored to normal status. Keep in mind that unblocking someone does not automatically make you follow each other again. If you'd like to reconnect, you'll need to follow the account manually. Success! The user has been removed from your blocked list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.